So good afternoon, children. So let us continue with our class. In the morning we started with probability, isn't it? So we were discussing about probability. So let us just have a look at it once more, and then we will continue with that. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So look at this. We discussed all these things. I know there are certain cases and which are not certain, and there are some cases which is not there, zero. So let us discuss something more about it. You know now what is probability. No, last period we have discussed. Now let us see one thing. Sun sets in the east. Is it correct?
No, ma'am. It's wrong.
No, it's wrong. So, listen, the probability of this will be what?
Ma'am, 0.
Zero. Okay, probability of that event to happen is zero. Do you agree with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This one, the weight of hippopotamus about 2 kgs. That is also wrong, no? Hippopotamus is a very huge animal and not
Yes.
2 kilograms. So that is also, what is the probability of that happening?
Ma'am, 0.
Zero.
Zero. Now, if you draw two rectangles, one small and one big, then the area of the larger rectangle is more than the area of smaller one. What is the probability of that?
Ma'am, it's
Is it
100.
sure? Is it sure?
Yes, yes.
Sure. It is certain to happen, no? It is like that, no doubt. So, its probability, that is probability of a sure event is always 1. 1. Okay. Probability of an event which will not happen is 0, and probability of an event which will happen, that is you are certain to happen, you know that it is happening and it will happen, that probability will be 1. Okay. Now next one, if you drink water from a glass, the quantity of water from the glass will decrease. Is it?
Yes. Ma'am, it's true. 1.
So 1 is the probability. So probability of a sure event is 1 and probability of an impossible event is 0.
0.
Next, Australia winning the next series. This we don't know. We have to find out the probability according to the question given. That is an uncertain case, isn't it? This uncertainty only gives you the probability. In the uncertain cases only we find the probability. So probability of a sure event is 1 and probability of an impossible event is 0. Okay, so probability, we can say that probability lies between 0 and 1. Probability is always greater than 0 and it is less than 1. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Probability I have written on one side. Okay, can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Greater than. Probability will always be greater than 0 and but less than 1. Probability will lie between 0 and 1. It will be a number in between 0 and 1. You know, numbers between 0 and 1, so many are there. No, half, 3 by 4, 1 by 4. Everything lies between 0 and 1, isn't it? Okay, so that is it. And we shall clear now. I didn't explain this in the previous period about the probability of an impossible event, probability of a sure event. Probability of an impossible event is 0. Sure event is 1 and other probabilities will lie in between. So the probability will for uncertain events will lie in between 0 and 1. Okay, next one. This I explained in the previous period about
Yes, ma'am.
guys 1 by 2. Next one, this also, all this I have explained. So you can write What is probability? Write down this formula. Probability, this sentence you can note down. Probability is the measurement of uncertainty. Probability is the measurement of uncertainty. Probability of occurrence of an event, number of cases, what is it? Is equal to number of cases favorable to the event, or you can write number of favorable cases. Okay, number of cases favorable to event by total number of possible cases. I hope you have understood by last class, you understood the meaning of these two terms. Number of cases, this much you write from here, that is enough. Probability is the measurement of uncertainty. Probability of occurrence of an event is equal to number of cases favorable to event by total number of possible cases.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Finished all of you, no? Yes. This one we explained, no? 3, what is the probability?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I think we can discuss this question, student.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Yes. Tell whether the following cases is certain, your exercise problem it is. Your exercise problem. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, or can happen. First one, you are older today than yesterday.
Yes, ma'am. True.
It is, what is the probability for that?
Yes, ma'am.
One. Isn't it?
Yes.
A tossed coin will land heads up. Tossed coin tossing, you know.
Ma'am, can happen,
Ma'am,
but not certain.
It is uncertain, isn't it? It is uncertain. We don't know. We are not sure about it. Next one, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top.
Ma'am, uncertain.
That is
No.
Ma'am, 0.
It is not possible. How many numbers are there on a die?
6.
Ma'am, 6.
Is it 8 possible?
No, ma'am.
No. So it is an impossible event, isn't it? So we can write impossible event. So we can write it as 0. No probability. 0. 0. Now the next traffic light seen will be green.
Ma'am, uncertain.
Next traffic, no, it is certain. No, we know that. No, next traffic light seen will be green and red, yellow.
Yes, ma'am.
First in order
No, we
it is.
can't say.
It is uncertain.
Uncertain, ma'am.
Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. What is it?
Ma'am, uncertain.
Uncertain.
Clouds is uncertain. We cannot predict, isn't it? We cannot
Yes, ma'am.
predict.
Ma'am,
Okay.
sometime the weather will be changed.
Yeah,
It would
so
be
that is also uncertain event. Then next question you see there are 6 marbles in a box with numbers
Ma'am,
from.
do we have to write it?
No need. Problems to write, I'll show you. Okay, this one you write. This one you can write. This one you can write. That is it. No, first one not needed. Second one you can. Yes, children, I can't understand. Please speak properly, loudly.
Some disturbance are coming.
See, stop your speakers. Stop it. Yeah, what is the probability of drawing a marble with 2? Number 2. So, what is the question? There are 6 marbles in a box. Okay, there are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. 6 marbles in a box. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marbles in a box. numbered from 1 to 6. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? So like that it is numbered. Now what is the question? What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? What is it?
Ma'am, 2 by 6. Ma'am, 1 by 6.
By 6.
1 by 6. Who said a 2 by 6? What is 2? 2 is only one
Two
number.
is only the number.
2 is only number. How many times it can occur? Only one time. So what is the answer? 1 by 6. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5?
Ma'am, 1 by 6.
1 by
6. 1 by 6 again. Children, a coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start?
Ma'am, 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Yes, then you flip. Let me see whether that that picture is there. 1 minute. I had a picture of tossing a coin just to show that. That's it. You see?
Ma'am, do we have to write the second one?
No need.
B.
No need. No. That the two problems you have to write.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
first one is probability of getting a marble, isn't it? Getting a marble, and also the other one, which I have shown you. 1 minute. Okay, it is not there. So tossing a coin also I have. No, by tossing a coin, what do you mean by that? Just
Yes,
take
ma'am.
a coin. Before cricket match or any match, you have seen people tossing the coin. For what? If head falls, one group will play. If tail falls, the other group will play. It is like that, isn't it? We'll start the game. So tossing a coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? What is the probability? Either head or tail can fall, right? Head and
Yes.
tail, you know what is head and tail of a coin?
Yes, ma'am.
Head and tail of a coin. Okay. Head is that 3 heads are there in 1 rupee coin and all we can see. And tail is the other part. Okay. So head and tail of a coin, we cannot decide what will fall. So it is only 2 possibilities are there. Only 2, maximum 2 possibilities are there. One either head, the other one it is what? Is the tail. Okay. So only 2 possibilities are there. Out of that, 1. So what is the probability, children?
0. Ma'am.
What is the probability? Total 2 outcomes, either head or tail. 2 outcomes only, head or
Ma'am.
tail. So out of 2, 1 out of 2. Isn't it? 1 out of 2 is the probability of that. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we were discussing about probability. Now, can you give me an what do you understand from that? Anandakrishnan, can you say what is probability? What is probability? Loudly. Geetika, can you tell me what is probability?
Probability is a measurement of uncertainty.
Very good. Probability is a measure of uncertainty. Okay, Steve, can you tell me, you please tell me what is the formula for we use for calculating the probability of an event?
Yes, ma'am. Number of cases favorite to event, and so divided by total number of possible cases.
Total number of events, isn't it? Yes. So number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. That is the okay, Anandakrishnan. That is the formula for probability. Okay, that we studied, and we took examples of flower, isn't it? Flowers we have taken, and also the which one? Die we discussed, and coin also we have discussed. Let me check whether any other problem is left out in that. That also we can do. Okay. So let us check any other problems are left out in that set.
No, ma'am. No.
I think so. One exercise I left out. Just check
No, ma'am.
the
3
PDF.
questions are there.
Ah,
I
three
check.
questions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 3.4, no, ma'am.
3.4.
3 questions only there.
Not only that, I have inserted some other questions also.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Check examples. You have a very less to study about probability. Only what is probability and what is the formula for finding probability. That's all you have to study. So this one
Ma'am,
is over. Yes, 1 minute.
excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the answer of the third question is 1 by 2.
Third question means.
A coin is
Yes,
a
yes.
coin is
1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1
Ma'am, I
by
have
2.
one doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the first question, in 3.4,
Mm.
the next traffic light scene will be green. It is, ma'am,
Yes.
it
Next,
answer.
which one?
Ma'am,
Next
question number 1.
traffic light scene will be green. It is uncertain, isn't it? We cannot say always it is like that. But after we can see orange, red, and green, isn't it? In an alternate way.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
we cannot always predict. If some problem is there, it will be red, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Isn't
yes.
it?
Yes.
We cannot always be sure that it will be green or when we think it should be green, right?
Yes.
Hmm?
Ma'am, answer should be 0 or 0.
It depends on the probability, not 0. I'll clarify it. I'll clarify it. Okay.
Okay,
1
ma'am.
minute. Towards the end of this period, I'll give you.
Okay, ma'am.
It is like that because we cannot always say it is sure. Usually, red, yellow, green, it used orange and green, you will come. But if there is any problem in the traffic, it will take time, isn't it? We cannot
Ma'am,
always predict it will come next. Yes.
there is two ways because if there is after yellow or are you talking about the signal?
Yes, yes. Traffic light. Traffic signal it is. What is meant is that.
Ma'am, for me, I think it's uncertain.
Uncertain only. That's what I'm saying. It's uncertain. Yes. It is uncertain. We cannot say it is sure and all. Okay, so it is uncertain. Then next one. Okay, I think this exercise is okay for you.
Yes, ma'am, it's completed.
So we
Ma'am,
can see
completed.
the next one. Probability. Any other? Okay, this fill in the blanks is there. Let us fill that. Okay. We'll see in questions to 6 to 9. Fill in the blanks to make the statements true. The difference between the highest and the lowest observation of a data is called dash. 1 minute. Let me call you one by one. Okay. Hiba, can you tell me what is it? Please tell me what is it? Yes. The difference between. What is the meaning of that difference between the highest and the lowest observation of a data is called dash? Hiba. Sri Lakshmi.
Range of the data.
Range of the data. Range, isn't it? So, the difference between the highest and the lowest observation is called the range of the data. Okay. Yes, next person. Ashwant.
Should we write this?
Yes, yes. Ashwant, write it down. Ashwant. Hello. Ashwant. No reply. I'll give absent. Ayan. Ayan, tell me next. Mean of a data is defined as. 1 minute. Tell me. Mean of a data is defined as. What is the definition? How will you find out? Just write the formula. That's all.
Ma'am, can I?
No. I'm called somebody. No, they should answer. Hello. Yes, Ananya. Can you tell me the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Mean of a data is defined as what?
Ma'am, sum of
Yes.
sum
Tell
of
me.
all data.
Sum of all observations in the data.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
Sum of all observation the data
Mm.
by number of observations.
Observations, isn't it? Yes. Sum of all observations. Sum of all observations. I'm writing short form. Observations divided by number of observations. OBSV, I have written observation. Okay. You write the full name. There is subs. Will go out. That's what. Sum of all observations by number of observations. Then the next question is, in a set of observations, the observation that occurs the most often, most repeatedly occurring observation, what is that?
Ma'am, mode.
Mode, M-O-D-E, mode. Yes, good. Now next one, in a given data, arranged in ascending and or descending order, the middlemost observation is called, don't answer, I will call. Abhyuday, tell me the answer.
Median.
Median. In a given data, arranged in ascending or descending order, the middlemost observation is called the
Median.
median. So you can take down this objective type questions. You can take down. Yeah, write down the question and the answer. Like fill in the blanks. Write down. Okay. Finished, children? I hope so.
Yes.
Question is finished. We are writing the answer. Finished.
Okay. Question, I think it is there in the text.
Page number.
Wait.
Which page number?
Wait. It's not there. No. It is not there in the text. It is additional NCRT questions solved. It is given as additional work. Take down the questions also.
Okay.
Okay. Now the next thing.
Ma'am, can we take the screenshot?
Yes, no problem. You can take one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
these questions are there in the textbook, right?
I don't think this is given as additional problems. This is some
Okay, ma'am.
other book. Okay. Children, this anyway you know it already, isn't it? So I'm discussing like this for you to just remember all these things. So we studied probability today, and just next topic is graph. Graph is not there for your coming PT1 exam. Okay, that graph I will take written test. Not.
Ma'am, for graph, we need our graph book.
Yes, graph book is needed. Double bar graph you have to draw. So if you don't have, you can purchase next class, that is from not Saturday. Saturday you will have test paper. Okay, class test will be on Saturday.
Which
Understood?
subject?
First chapter,
Okay, ma'am.
integers.
Okay, ma'am.
Google test. So prepare for that. Google test
Okay, ma'am.
it will be class test will be on Saturday. So you have to prepare and come. I'll be putting a message today. A graph you have to bring on Tuesday, coming Tuesday, next Tuesday only. Okay, ma'am. Okay. But now I'll just give an introduction only. You check any more questions in probability is left down.
Ma'am, we can draw the bar graphs in last year's bar book.
Yes, no problem. But you stick it in the, cut it and paste it in your note which you are writing. Okay.
Okay.
You are writing in a note. No, the same chapter should come in one sheet. That's what.
Okay, ma'am. We draw that and
That graph paper you draw in that graph paper, cut it and paste it along with the question which you are writing in the paper.
okay, ma'am.
And you can tie it up with that lesson. That's what. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is it, children? This is, you have studied bar graph before, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am, last year we studied. Yes, bar graph. Have a look at it. Bar graph. See, in the bar graph, we can represent a data in a very efficient way, isn't it? Than pictogram. So it is given, the class interval is given here. What is this purpose? The bar graph shown below shows the marks of students of a class in a particular subject. In a particular subject, what is the mark of the, what are the marks of the students? Study the bar graph and answer the following questions. If 40 is the pass mark, then how many students have failed? 40 is the pass mark. So this much failed, no? If 40 is the pass mark, and how many students have failed? 4, isn't it? 4 students have failed. So how will you read the graph from here to here? That shows the frequency. We call it frequency, the number of students. Frequency. It is in brush form. That's why this pen is coming like this. Okay, children. So I hope we can take it later, the graph. I have to start it fresh. And these are all class intervals. All class intervals shown. This is called x-axis, and this one is called y-axis. You know this in 6th standard you have studied, no?
Yes, ma'am, we studied.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us do this in the next class. Time is up. I have to take your attendance. Huh? So
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yes, my
Ma'am,
dear.
do we have to take the last year books or today this year's books?
This year's graph, last year, if pages are left out, you can, I told you, you can draw in that graph. So
Yes, ma'am,
Tuesday-
because I have more pages.
Okay, you can cut it, and anyway, whether new book or old book, you have to cut it and paste it in your note.
Ma'am, lecture notebook?
Yeah, not lecture note, original note.
The notes
which you are
that you
writing,
give.
according to the question which I am giving. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let us start this topic on Tuesday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll take attendance now. Children, you know what is double bar graph? I'll show you a figure of it. This is called double bar graph. This is what you have to study to draw. You have to draw that, and both measures will be shown in one graph. That is known as double graph. That is the topic which you have to study this
Okay,
year.
ma'am.
Double bar graph. So we'll start it by Tuesday. Okay, coming
Okay, ma'am.
Tuesday. Saturday, prepare for your test paper.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So we can stop sharing.